My phenomenal beauties. There are two components to help your wig not to slide back and look like this. So the first one is having an elastic band. Unlike traditional wigs that rely on adhesive for stability, you have to have an elastic band that is going to help the wig to stay on your head as an added security. With Phenomenal Beauty wig units, we do use adjustable bands. You are able to tighten it or loosen the straps based on your comfort level. Now the second component is that you need wig comb. The purpose of the wig comb, it helps it to anchor to your natural braids for added security. Let's try a shake test. Let's try it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. That is the two components that you will need to wear your wig glueless and to avoid your wig shifting back and sliding back. Send me your questions so that I can create some type of content in regards to the question and give you my take on everything glueless. Okay? But for now, bye!